Hello, here is Universal, and I'm going to talk about the most interesting thing in the universe, physics. First, let's talk about the story as old as humans. I want to discuss cosmology, but don't afraid. I don't want to expand all the cosmos in this video, so let's go step by step. For centuries, humans have looked up and dreamed about what they saw, made stories and tried to understand the universe. But that was not cosmology. About 100 years ago, physicists attempted to describe the universe as a physical system. They studied it mathematically, and so equations were born. Cosmology was born. One of the most famous objects in cosmology is galaxies. 10 to 11 billion of them are within what we can see with telescopes. There is a uniform particle gas. Each particle interacts with other particles, and galaxies on the whole are not electrically charged. They are electrically neutral, and gravity is the only significant force on big enough scales pulling everything together. So, the universe must be just static, right? No, that's wrong. The universe expands. Look at these equations. DAB is the actual physical distance between 2 points, point A and point B. And AT is the scale parameter. You can see it's not constant, it depends on time. So galaxies move. One more interesting thing. Look at this equation. This means the ratio of velocity to distance doesn't depend on which pair of galaxies are used. It's what we call the Hubble parameter. We also have another equation. I don't want to prove it. Believe me, there is such an equation. Trust me. It's evident that the right-hand side is always positive and never goes to zero, even if A gets enormous. It's always positive. If A dot over A equals 0, the universe would turn around. But it never happens. The expansion never goes to 0, but slows down and never stops. But that's not all. There's another term in this equation, and I will take it out in the following videos, so that we can see 3 other possibilities: recollapse, expand without slowing, and expand with slowing down. So stay with Universal and be curious. I'll come back soon.